This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Kent. Thoughtfully designed single-level home in the coveted Homestead neighborhood. Open concept floor plan offers spacious private bedrooms in separate wings of the house, updated features, west/professionally designed and maintained landscaping. Oversized primary bedroom west/large ensuite bath and high-end walk-in closet. Home features heat pump west/air conditioner unit, keeping you cool and comfortable during the summer months. Enjoy the sunny outdoor patio west/south facing covered deck, overlooking your tranquil backyard. Low traffic neighborhood located near the Homestead golf course. Perfect for leisurely strolls. Country club and clubhouse and conveniently located just minutes away. Downtown Lynden and shopping hub are a short drive away. This beautiful home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Kent at 360-594-8034.